Hello guys, you are once more welcome to this channel. So today we are going to be achieving this course that you see on the screen. So if this is your first time of coming here, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, and if this is your second time, thank you for coming back. So you want to stick to this video right up to the end because I'm going to be unleashing some secrets that no one could talk about. So first thing first, to begin with, to start, first thing you do is to comb the extension very well to get rid of any tangle, and then you put your flexi rod, you open up the extension, and then you wrap. This is going to give a different color pattern. So that's basically it. Like as you see me do, you open up and then you wrap through the flexi rod, and that's just all. So after wrapping everything up very well, after you have wrapped everything very well, you want to make sure you secure it so that it shouldn't unravel, and it should be looking like this. Yeah, that is the first method to achieve some curls. So you move on to the second method to use the flexi rod to achieve curls. So you want to make sure you fold the hair very well before wrapping onto the flexi rod. So this method too is going to give you another coil pattern, another coil type. So after wrapping very well, you want to still make sure you secure it so that it shouldn't unravel. So that's it. So these two methods are going to yield two different coil patterns. So I went ahead and I wrapped it the same way with this item, just as I wrapped it with a flexi rod. This is just to show you that no matter what you have at your disposal, you can actually achieve the same coils that another person used something else to achieve. So this is just the proof. When we dip this into hot water, you will realize that with these rollers, it's still going to give the same result as the flexi rod. And you want to make sure you use rubber band to secure it so that it shouldn't unravel. So that's what I used to secure this one. I use rubber band. So as you can see, I wrapped it the same way that I used the flexi rod to wrap. So you will notice that the rollers and the flexi rod will give the same results. So that's just what I'm trying to show here. And then the next thing I use is these clips that I use to in my salon. So I use it to, at times I use it to create coils for my customers. I use this most often when I'm in a haste and I don't want anything that will take me much time. So I usually use this too. So after wrapping very well, you want to still use a rubber band to secure it so that it shouldn't unravel. So I'm also going to be showing you how I use thread to achieve curls. So all I have to do is just to secure the thread very well, and then after that I just go ahead and I wrap the thread all over the extension. After wrapping and everything is looking good, you want to pull from the, you want to hold the thread and then pull the extension upwards. So from that you will make the coils, it will give you a pattern of how the coils will look like. So that's it. After that you want to tie it at the bottom to secure it, and that's just all. Then after that, if you have nothing at your disposal, no thread, no flexi rod, no coiling rollers, you can as well, depending on the coil pattern you are looking for, you can just make two strand twists from right up to the tips, and that will be it. It will give you another coil pattern. And that's how it looks like. That's it. That's basically it. Yeah. And then finally you can also do normal braids, and it will also give you a coil pattern when you on braid it after dipping in hot water. So that's basically it. This is what the coils look like the different method which I've used in order to achieve some chorus. These are the different methods and these are the different ways in which I've wrapped them. So let's get into dipping them into hot water and see the results that they will give. So after that, I just went ahead and I just put it in a bowl and then pour hot water on them, and that's basically it. After that, I allow it to get cool. Then I start to unravel the extension from my different items I used to make the chorus. So that's it for this first one. You can see how the chorus came out and they are looking like. This is what the flexi rod gave with the first method in which I used to wrap it. This is the result. And for the second one, we just go ahead and unravel again, and you just from watching you can realize that the flexi rod gave two different results. All this is just because of the different ways in which we wrap the hair around the flexi rod. As you can see, using these coiling rollers, you will realize that it gave the same result with the flexi rod. So no matter what you have at your disposal, you can always achieve good results. So that's it. You just have to just be intelligent enough to know how to wrap in order to achieve your course. I hope this video is very helpful to some of you in order to achieve the different course that you want to achieve while doing your braids or anything else. So that's basically it for this video. I will just allow you to watch right up to the end to see what the other methods give as course. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn up the bell notification to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you on my next video, and I hope it will be more interesting. Please, if you have any thoughts to share, any question to ask, make sure you drop that in the comment section. I will be replying to every comment. Please do well to share this video to friends, any other person that you wish to see this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.